In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the color picker tool in Pixlr step by step so you can sample any color from your image or design in just a few seconds. This is super useful when you want to match a background, copy a brand color, or keep your edits looking clean and consistent. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Pixlr tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Pixlr Editor in your browser. Once you're in, upload the image you want to work on, or open an existing design canvas if you already have one started. The color picker tool works best when you have something visible on the screen that contains the color you want to sample. Now look at the left toolbar, find the picker icon, which looks like an eyedropper. Click that tool to activate it. If you want a faster method, you can also press the I key on your keyboard as a shortcut. That instantly switches you into the picker tool without having to search through the toolbar. Once the tool is active, move your cursor over the image and hover over the exact color you want to grab. Try to position it over the specific pixel or area that matches the shade you need. Then left-click once. Pixlr will sample that color immediately and set it as your active color. After you click, take a look at the circular color swatches at the bottom of your toolbar. You should see the foreground color update right away. This tells you the color has been successfully picked and is now ready to use in your brush, text, shapes, or any other editing tool. If you're working fast, there's also a very handy shortcut method. While using other drawing tools like the brush, you can hold the Ctrl key or Ctrl on Windows to temporarily bring up the picker. This is great when you want to sample colors on the fly without fully switching tools. Just hold Ctrl, click the color you want, and then continue editing right away. This shortcut is especially useful if you're matching colors across multiple elements, creating a consistent palette, or touching up an image where every detail matters. It saves time and helps you stay in flow while editing. So to recap, open your project, select the eyedropper tool or press I, click the color you want to sample, confirm it in the swatch area, and use Ctrl for quick temporary color picking while drawing. That's really all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Pixlr tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.